Hello, I'm Rui-Jie from CSP. Today, I'm going to show the practical use of CSP EC-1206 automatic battery charger. Before using the EC-1206, it's important to have an appropriate AC power connection port suitable for connecting the charger. The EC-1206 is an automatic 12-volt battery charger, perfect for most automotive 12-volt battery applications. This is a dual-rate charger offering a 4.5 ampere, 2 ampere and 1 ampere charge function. Use this switch to select the desired functions 4.5, 2 ampere or 1 ampere. First, follow these basic procedures. After the charger is connected with AC power, then the red light will started blinking. So after it's connected, then start by connecting the red positive lead from the battery chargers to the positive battery ports, like so. Then connect the negative lead to the negative battery ports. Now we are all connected. Plug the battery charger with the battery. You can monitor the charge rate, whether it's slow charge. If a high charge is needed, please press the button to the 4.5 ampere rate. Remember, this is a full automatic battery charger. You don't need to monitor it constantly or unplug it when the charge is done. It becomes a maintainer at that point, keeping the battery is fully charged and always ready to go. The microprocessor-controlled the charger provides the charging status on the digital display. An interesting feature of the charger is the blinking speed of LED indicator. It blinks slowly when the battery power is below 80%, faster when it's above 80%, and remains steadily on when the battery reaches 100%. This battery charger has a feature that can recharge the battery starting from as low as 2 voltage. Unlike many chargers, doesn't have this feature. The EC-1206 works for all 12-volt lead-acid batteries, regardless of its size or shape. After the battery is fully charged, it stops charging automatically. Disconnect the charger, then reconnect it for 2 hours to enter constant voltage mode for battery maintenance. Importantly, one more time, make sure you have an appropriate AC power connection port. Now, what could stop you from investing in the EC-1206 when your daily life relies on your car, motorbike or scooter? Ensure your 12-volt lead-acid batteries are always charged and ready, so you never have to worry about unexpected breakdowns. The EC-1206 offers convenience, reliability and peace of mind, making it an essential addition to your routine. Don't wait. Take control over your battery health today with the EC-1206 automatic battery charger. Your vehicle deserves the best, and so do you.